We're at our Matheson Road staging area. This site is going to be used for our safety standby and patrol personnel. It is separate from our main construction site. We deploy hundreds of people literally throughout the storm from this site. Their job is to go out and stand by, literally take a car, stand by down wires until we've had a time for the trained personnel come and check and make sure they're safe and clear them for their safe. We also have folks who are patrollers who go out and run the lines down for damage to really hands-on, eyes-on, see what the damage is, call it back in so we know the repair is needed. What's going on behind me is we're actually assembling a tent area that will have the main operations component where folks will check in for their safety standby patrol assignments, can pick up rental car assignments if needed, and then further down materials for a storm kit as we call it, map books, flares, flashlights, materials such as that. Also have a small catering area, food for the folks as they come and go through the day and night. This site's very important because it is where we dispatch folks to go and stand by the down wires. And we literally have hundreds of those folks out during any storm of this type magnitude and event, at least what we expect this time. Folks do come back and return from one shift to another, but typically it's 12-hour shifts, so it's long days or long nights. And it does operate throughout the duration of the storm. Once they're done with one assignment, they may pick up a second assignment and be delegated or assigned to another place. Hurricane Sandy gave us several days notice, literally a week's notice. We've got time to set this up, set the site up, set this equipment up in good weather, well ahead of the major storm, the weather impact. And what that does for us is it lets us have everything in place. Around the side we have over 200 cars parked here ready to go. Materials will be here stationed on site, all the computers up and running. As the storm hits, this will be buckled down and held safe, but we'll be ready to roll as soon as the weather's clear after the storm. As soon as it's safe to get out on the road, we can dispatch the work and we can get folks out where they need to be. Other storms, when you don't have this advance notice, it would take us this time to do all the setup and arrangements, delaying when we can get in the field. We have hundreds of employees already focused on preparing for this storm here now, days before it's intended to strike Maryland. We have thousands of other folks we've reached out and contacted to, getting extra help to come in and be here to support us as this storm comes through or comes into the area. All of that is just positioning us to be in a very good place to respond as quickly and effectively as possible as soon as the weather breaks. All of our customers, take heed of the weather warnings. They are warnings for a reason. Get in food, get in water, make sure we have medications, batteries for flashlights, batteries for radios. If someone has a medical condition or medical concern, make sure you have an appropriate plan of action should you lose power for an extended period of time. We don't want to see the power go out. Mother Nature sometimes makes it happen. It does go out. It's important for all of us to be prepared, whether it's individuals at home or us in staging areas like this.